It's been 9 years since my dad passed. Lately, I keep seeing him. Not in my dreams, but in the mirror. For one, I stole this man's whole face. I mean, even as kids, he could have been my twin. But I also see so much more of him in me. My amazing dance skills, my desire for adventure, being anti-status quo. Yeah, that's my daddy. Since the good Lord didn't bless us with singing voices, we whistle. I'm a girl gamer because of my dad. My cousins reinforced it, but Dad planted it. Even bowling. My daddy was a pro, and I was, 12. I have so many memories with my pops.
Now you got on the real thing.
My dad was truly one of a kind.
Who's the ladies? I'm the greatest.
His presence is so strong that some days it doesn't even seem like he's gone. Because in some ways, he isn't. Thank you for being my daddy. I was blessed to have you. I love you, Papa.
To be heavy, to be heavy, to be heavy.